most important. Then there is no Indian and Pakistanis. Joy Hari used to be there. It's so much. I remember we have got a good, like a small family in early days. In ISKCON, each temple is like a small family. Though they come from different countries, different background. But they are working together for Krishna. Because why? Actually, this is based on love and trust, which is very much lacking in the material world. And they are suffering even they don't know they are suffering. Just like an ass or a hog. He is suffering. He was Indra. He is reminded. Still he says, no, I like this life. I don't want it. This is material life. And somebody can educate those who are experienced, pure, and all these good qualities of a Vaishnava who are manifesting by cultivating Krishna consciousness. Steadily, seriously, sincerely, without pretension. Because the path of devotional service is like a razor edge, in this case, Purasya Dhara, Nishita Durakta is very difficult. In variety. Make one thing with different thing. This is our philosophy. So harmonist. Harmonium, different sound, we put together into one beautiful sound, come on. This is thing, playing harmonium. So Vaishnava are called harmonists. You should know that it is called proper adjustment. Or dovetail everything at Krishna. Otherwise it is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Moment at Krishna, for the pleasure of Krishna, for the pleasure of Krishna's devotee, then you become united nation, the real spiritual world, Krishna's family. Here you are already in the spiritual world. Simply consciousness, you have to that Krishna consciousness. Then we can hear. So dying here in association with the good devotees, by chanting, dancing, teaching, to deliver the other, those who are fallen in collision, everybody, Tamo-gun and Rajo-gun, bring them to the mode of goodness by association of good Vaishnava. So there is no difference between Vaishnava. There is in ISKCON now they have got GBC ladies, GBC preacher, talking most important leaders and becoming. So they can also come forward. Prabhupada says, my girls are no less than the boys. They sometimes collecting so much money, don't keep a penny in their pocket. This is real sannyas. Not attached to money, power, and sense object. So we have got a great responsibility to take. The Chaitanya Mahaprabhu wanted every town and village people will be chanting. This is called Satya Sankalpa. When God says something to the pure devotee, that will happen definitely. But one is intelligent, he says, Sumedhasa. One is Sumedha, good brain, real intelligence, not material. Spiritual intelligence, Krishna gives. He should take this opportunity and make his life sublime and inspire others. One should not be Kripana, I am only remain pure. No, how to deliver, just our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's associate is the one. And he said, my dear Lord,
Srila Guru Maharaja 请你接受我谦卑的敬拜，我双手合十，求庇护和祝福，做您的仆人，我才有了希望。每分每秒，圣 Guru 的 的榜样，请你再次接受我的敬拜。希拉古鲁玛哈拉扎，请你接受我卑微的敬拜。我双手合十，求庇护和祝福，对你的仆人我才有了信仰。神保护我的心的信息，神保护我的灵性的信息，每次讲述都是个便宜，有你的触摸着坚定的信心，希望能提升你所有的品质。神国度的王，我的家，今天接受我卑微的敬拜，我双手合十求庇护和祝福，做你的仆人我才有了希望。你所传达的完美的教导，用任何时间和心智技巧，以简单的方式给我们分享。你的讲给我感觉很理想。希拉古鲁玛哈拉扎，请你接受我卑微的敬拜。我双手合十，求庇护和祝福，做你的仆人我才有了希望。伟大的灵魂，我不由你，你只是个比较让我不安。愿你的荣耀四处传扬，一天又一天显明平安。希古鲁玛哈拉扎，请你接受我卑微的敬拜。我双手合十，求庇护和祝福，做你的仆人我才有了希望。你奉献了生命，你奉献了生命，你混合一切，无法表达我对你的感谢。我犯的过失，请你原谅，没任何资格的嘎达的恩待。希拉古鲁玛哈拉扎，请你接受我卑微的敬拜。我双手合十，求庇护和祝福，做你的仆人我才有了希望。希拉古鲁玛哈拉扎，请你接受我卑微的敬拜。双手合十，求庇护和祝福，做你的仆人我才有了希望。
Every minute, every second, every moment of their life. On this very auspicious day of your appearance day, it is my small attempt to genuinely glorify and express my gratitude to you for my own purification. As one can't count the waves in the ocean, similarly, you are the ocean of good qualities which an ordinary person like me, who is struggling with own mind and senses, can't appreciate it due to my material conditioning. But I know Vaishnavas by nature are very merciful to a neophyte, and by your mercy this
Namaste So now we are bringing Bhoga because as Maharaj wanted to offer puja to Prabhupada also on this day. So now we are bringing Bhoga. We will make the arrangement and then Maharaj will offer Bhoga to Prabhupada, and then after that he will offer Arati to Prabhupada, and this is how we will conclude the program. So now while we are making the arrangement for Bhoga offering, I would request Devadharan Prabhu to continue with the Maya Kirtan, and we all can enjoy the Kirtan while we are arranging offering. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Okay, now we will chant Sangsara Davanal and you all can follow us in the Kirtan. Hare Krishna.
Jai. Nalani dalaka tranaya karuna ghana ghana tam samsara Vande Gurase Charanarvindam Vande Gurase Charanarvindam Mahaprabhu Kirtana Nitya Gita Bajit Madan Manasarasena Mahaprabhu Kirtana Nitya Gita Bajit Madan Manasarasena Romanchakampa Sutaranga Bhaja Vande Gurasri Charanarvindam Romanchakampa Vande Gurasri Chaturvidasri Bhagavat Prasad Vigrahara Dhananitanana Singaradan Mandiramasanaga Vigrahara Dhananitanana Singaradan Mandiramasanaga Bhagavat Prasad Sadhana Tripta Hari Bhakta Sangha Tritaivo Tripti सदैव वन्दे गुराश्री चरणारविन्दम् वन्दे गुराश्री चरणारविन्दम् वन्दे गुराश्री चरणारविन्दम् राधिका माधव पार माधुर्य लीला राधिका नादा धन लल वन्दे गुराश्री चरणारविन्दम् कुंज जोनार्थ कैलिते गजल वीर जो किरात बनिया तत्रादि दक्षा वन्दे गुराश्री चरणारविन्दम् वन्दे गुराश्री चरणारविन्दम् सत्तरितना समस्तशास्त्रै युक्तसदा भावत्रयेव सरि आर्कितु गवर्ध प्रियाय भद्र वन्दे गुराश्री चरणारविन्दम् गौर हरि बोल गौर हरि बोल गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल गौर निताय गौर हरि बोल गौर हरि बोल गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल 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 गोविंद माधव मुकुंद बोल गोविंद माधव गौरानंदे
Hare Krishna. So we are very happy to come to the conclusion of the program. At the end, we would like to convey our thanks and gratitude to the devotees who have come forward to bring success to this program. His Grace Padmalochan Prabhu from Singapore, Kasturi Manjari Mataji, who are mostly taking care of the Zoom services. Then Sati Devidasi and Jamuna Priya Mataji from China for presenting the drama on Zoom. And his Tamal Jyoti Prabhu, Damodar Prabhu, Vinayak Prabhu, and our great Kirtaniya Devadharma Prabhu, plus other devotees who have joined online to glorify His Holiness. So thank you all devotees very much. So now we can go for